kids. What time is it?
So, what kind of questions you got? Hey, where's my microphone? Cut! Hey kids, what time is it? Yeah, I love to say that. I still say that all the time. 1947, Buffalo Bob Smith out of radio. Yeah, that's right around the time of the Blue Book report. The Air Force was talking about UFOs. We were talking about television. There weren't no television in those days. It was pretty much just radio, and then TV came in, and it was like a vast wasteland. We just kind of helped ourselves. So we got started, and one thing led to another. You just stayed with it, and me and Bob and Clara Bell, you know, he went to Captain Kangaroo, and we didn't hold nothing against him. And Princess Summer, Fall, Winter, Spring, she, poor kid, got killed in a car crash back in '57. Oh, yeah, the outfit, that's easy. Hey, a lot of it's just painted on. You see the hair and the lips and that, just painted and glued. The clothes was glued, and I like the little touch of the gamblers. Pardon me. Oh, yeah, pretty much, kids, it's not rocket science. You find a new medium and you take advantage of it. It's, like Punch and Judy, it's puppets, and then it's radio, and then it's TV, and then it's internet, it's virtual reality. What's next? Get on that shooting star, kids, and ride while there's time. Ride like there's no tomorrow. Me, I got all the time in the world. It's howdy doody time, it ain't worth the dime. Yeah, it was good. It was a good run we had all those years, 1947 and 1960. We was on TV in black and white and then in color. Had a couple of good gigs after on the college circuit. The college circuit. It was so much fun seeing those kids all grown up and me staying the same. Yeah, then old Andy Kaufman got me on there. I was on Andy's show. I'm still looking for Andy. Like to do another show with him. It was a lot of fun. And the kids made up songs about us, too. You know, remember this one? It's howdy doody time. Yeah, it's kind of pretty out here, ain't it? I like it. Yeah, I told them to get away, but they were good kids. They really were. Bob, well, he's been gone now a long time. Yeah, the time has come. The time has come.
And so long, till Saturday, 1 week away, when you will hear us say, howdy do. Come on, gang. It's time to go till our next show. Goodbye from us to you.
Yeah, it's kind of pretty out here, ain't it? I like it.